Entrepreneurship tip number 2. Grab the umbrella when it's sunny outside, not when it's raining. Here's what I mean. When it comes to your business, crap will hit the ceiling fan. Things will go wrong. There will be problems. It's not if there will be problems, it's when there will be problems. So when it's sunny outside, grab your umbrella. And what I mean is, start planning for the worst case scenario. If you have a business partnership, while you're still buddies and everything's good, plan out everything that could go wrong and what to do. For example, what if you have to fire an employee? Who has to handle that response? If you need more sales, who's gonna go in and put the extra effort? If somebody takes money from the business without permission, what do you do? When you plan for things, you'll be prepared. And when you're prepared, things go easier.